materials. So I'm not sure if you've seen the channel from Jeff Chasnov. I think that, but I'm not sure if I've shared this previously. So Jeff Chasnov is a professor from the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology. You might want to check his channel or his playlist. Actually, has provided lecture series for different courses, no? But his one specifically shared for numerical methods. There are actually other topics covered in his lecture series that are not covered in our syllabus. You might want to check on those as well and consider some of these topics for your project proposals. No? So if you haven't finalized yet your ideas for your projects, then you might want to check his channel and formulate solutions based on some of the topics covered here. Some of the scripts for MATLABs are also discussed in earlier sessions, and also this is around shorter than 10 minutes or more, no. But if you find this a little lengthy, you can um, check the title from study session. Yeah, so this guy right here, right? So
Everyone.
yeah. So study session also provides video instructions or video lectures for numerical methods. So some topics, some topics even not included in Jeff Chasnov's channel can be seen here. And this lecture series provides clips which are even shorter. No? If you don't have a lot of time, then you can explore this playlist and look into the topics here. And also some of these are some concepts go beyond the topics that we have for the core syllabus. So you might want to explore further techniques to give you better ideas on how to go through the project requirements. Yun, so the video lectures are the ones in orange templates. Uh, Examples are in blue, and then you can see that much of the Excel or the spreadsheet implementation can also be seen here. No, actually, some of the examples are derived from the spreadsheet implementation on this channel, and there are actually Python examples here. Um, Yun, so highlighted in yellow are the examples in Python. So these lectures can provide you ideas, no, on how to go through the P sets, the group projects implemented in Python, and then the final project requirements. No? So hopefully you can spend some time to check these materials. Um, there are very few which are a little lengthy, no, but most are under 10 minutes in many cases, below 5 minutes. No? So you can achieve more, I suppose. No, you can achieve more by checking into the sample presentations or the discussions covered in this playlist. Okay, so hopefully you can be able to generate project ideas already before we meet next week. No, so again I'll just share the projections for the remainder of this semester. Right, so there will be changes here because we've covered the Jacobi iteration. Okay, so this is already updated anyway. Okay, so we've covered the Jacobi iteration and Gauss-Seidel today from the Gaussian elimination. So next week, as you've seen in the assignment post, we may not have the regular session, but I will schedule a group discussion next week, no? So I would appreciate if you can send me ahead of time your preferred order or sequence of presentation. Actually, presentation is not required, but this will just be some consultation, no? So I will open separate meeting link so we can discuss the project topics for each group. Okay, so again, hopefully you can receive before our next meeting now your preferred sequence of presentation for your project ideas. So again, that's just the proposal phase, no, project ideas only. The final requirement will still be on week 15. So by then, all deliverables related to the final project requirement should have been completed. So you must secure the approval of your project topic sooner, so you can have more time to actually implement the idea, no? So I've shared earlier already some of the examples from the past previous batches, and that on week 15 or so, we will be, the expectation is that we will be meeting by that time, and that you will be presenting face to face, no, in a face to face session, your final project outputs. So the final project presentation will be sort of a conference format, no, that you will be presenting, and that along with it is the final paper, no, the five page conference paper based on the IEEE template. Okay, so is that clear for everyone? Are there any questions, concerns, or clarification so far? Okay, so if none, again, can I see a show of hands if everything is clear? Okay, so that's it, no? So thank you guys. And then if there will